Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales strategies with Microsoft Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To improve your sales strategies using Microsoft tools, start by identifying your sales goals. Define clear, measurable objectives that align with your overall business strategy. Next, leverage Microsoft Excel to analyze your current sales data. Input historical sales figures to identify trends and patterns. Utilize pivot tables to summarize data effectively and gain insights. Now, implement Microsoft Dynamics 365 to manage customer relationships. Set up your account and customize it to fit your sales process. Use the CRM features to track leads, manage contacts, and record interactions. Integrate Microsoft Teams for better communication among your sales team. Create dedicated channels for different projects or clients to enhance collaboration. Consider using Microsoft Power BI for advanced data visualization. Import your sales data into Power BI to create interactive dashboards. These visuals will help you communicate insights to your team more effectively. Next, automate repetitive tasks with Microsoft Power Automate. Design workflows to streamline processes such as follow-up emails or lead notifications. Make use of Microsoft Outlook for organized email communication. Use flags and categories to prioritize your leads and follow-ups. Now, focus on continuous learning by utilizing Microsoft Learn. Access online courses tailored for sales and marketing professionals. Encourage your team to participate in these educational resources. Finally, regularly review and adjust your strategies based on data insights. Schedule monthly meetings to discuss results and refine your approaches accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your sales strategies using Microsoft tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.